Students, you are welcome at Poonam Pannu English Point.
Students, in this video we are going to cover our topic present perfect tense, and we have learned about present tense and present continuous tense. Now this is the time for present perfect tense. If we talk about in Hindi, in the last of the sentence, if we find such words, चुका है, चुके हैं, चुकी है, then it means that is present perfect tense. Sentence formation: subject, has, have, then third verb, then object. There are two helping verbs that will be used: has and have. Has, we know about this: he, she, it, and all singular things we will use has, then third form of the verb. And have, I, we, you, they, and all the plural things. We will use have, then third form of the verb. So, in the present perfect tense, it means an action that has been completed now in the present. एक ऐसा काम जो अभी अभी प्रेजेंट में कंप्लीट हुआ है, that action refers in the sentence in the tense present perfect tense. In Hindi we know चुका है, चुके हैं, चुकी है. Sentence formation: subject, has, have, then third form of the verb, then object. For the negative sense, what will be the formation? Subject, has, have, then no, then third form of the verb. Now we will have an example. Suppose मैं अपना काम पूरा कर चुका हूँ. Subject, I चुका हूँ. It means present perfect tense, and we know what will be used: has, have, then third form of the verb. And here is subject I, so we will write here I have completed my work. And negative: I have not completed my work. And we know in interrogative sentence, interrogative sentence, we use first of all helping verb, and helping verb are there has and have. So in formation: has, have, then subject, then third form of the verb, then object, and the last question mark. So helping verb we have used here: have. Have I completed my work? Then question mark. The main thing that is we have to remember that present perfect tense has, have, then third form of the verb means an action which has completed in the present time, that refers to present perfect tense. Now we are going to learn about uses of present perfect tense. Students, uses of present perfect tense, where we use present perfect tense. First usage is there: to express an action that has been recently completed means that has been just now completed. जो अभी अभी complete हुआ है, then we use present perfect tense. For example, she had just completed her novel. Means she was doing that thing in the past, but that is still going on, but now it has been completed. So we can write here, she has just completed her novel. One more example is there. Ram has not completed his work yet. Second use is to describe a just occurred action, the time of which is not given. Means to describe a just occurred action. एक ऐसा काम जो अभी अभी हुआ है बट जिसका टाइम नहीं गिवन है. Suppose the postman has delivered the letters. Means time is not given but the work has been completed. So this is also the use of present perfect tense, that occurred action means an action which has just completed but the time is not given. I have seen him somewhere before. So I have seen him. I have seen means present perfect tense. Third usage is there to describe a past experience. Main thing is there to describe a past experience that has been repeated a number of times up to now with what is being spoken at present. At present time that has been speaking, but that is going on for a period of time and has been repeated many times. जो एक काम बहुत बार रिपीट हो चुका है और अभी तक ये कंटिन्यूटी में था, then we will use present perfect tense. So I have been Agra twice. Means he has visited Agra twice. Means a number of time is given. Twice time is also given that he has visited Agra. I have often advised him to work hard. Means that has been done many of times. So this is the use of present perfect tense. Next, fourth usage is there to describe an action which began in the past. Special thing is there which began in the past and still continues. जो अभी भी चला हुआ है. Suppose example, they have lived in this house since 1984. I have worked here since 2014. They have passed this way for a number of time. It means these are the uses of present perfect tense that shows that work has been completed now. So students, one another usage is there, present perfect tense. Last one, with yet and so far. Means two words are there in the sentence. In two words we will use yet and so far. We will use present perfect tense. And these words shows an action which is still unfinished. Means जो काम अभी अभी unfinished है, पूरा नहीं हुआ है. These words yet and so far. These words shows present perfect tense. And yet and so far, both words carries negative sense. These words also carries negative sense. Suppose I have not completed my work yet. अभी तक मैंने अपना काम कंप्लीट नहीं किया है. He has not finished his work yet. He has not watered the plants so far. I have not revised my lesson which I have done so far. जो अभी तक काम किया मैंने वो रिवाइज नहीं किया है. My mother has not cooked food. Then it shows that both words yet and so far. These words shows negative sense, but that also defines that an action which is still unfinished. So this is the use of present perfect tense. I hope all the students have understood present perfect tense. Which one will be used? Has and have. Has and have. Then third form of the word. We have learnt about the negative sense, interrogative sense, and now this is the use of present perfect tense. Thank you for watching the video.